like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Writer. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today we've got something exciting from Singapore. This is a box of new product from Prima Taste. I haven't tried anything new from them in a while, and you know, as you might know, their Laksa has been number one on my top 10 instant noodles of all time global list for years. So these are noodles. So let's crack it open, and I'm excited. Oh yeah. Well, folks, this is the new packaging and size of Prima Taste's Singapore Laksa, whole grain Laksa LaMian noodle from Singapore, and this is the one that's number one on my top 10 for years. And they found, I guess, that making it smaller could lower the price point, as well as people just wanted a smaller serving size. So these are, what, the size now? I don't know, this looks big still. Actually, yeah, it is a little bit smaller, and this is one of the more premium varieties on the market. It is more expensive, so shrinking it a little bit should make a difference, and I just can't wait to try it. I haven't had this in a little while, and I haven't had anything that really compares to it. This is like, folks, this is like the best noodle and the best broth. It's Southeast Asian splendor at its finest. I freaking love this stuff, and I know a lot of you do too. You're not going to see this form factor in the US market, I was told, for a while. So, but eventually we will, and this will be the predominant way it is packaged and the way you see it. And now here's the large multi-pack of the regular Laksa. The previous one is the whole grain Laksa. And yeah, here's what the individual pack looks like. Yeah, I haven't reviewed this yet. You just watched me open the box. So I'm thinking I'm probably going to push out reviews for this as soon as possible. Not just because it's new and cool, but just for my own sanity, because I absolutely love these things. So this is the regular Laksa. The last was the whole grain, but the seasonings, I believe, are exactly identical. And then we have the curry, and the curry is quite good as well. I noticed this isn't the whole grain. I don't see any whole grain in here. I don't know if that's because it didn't fit or not, or if they are not doing the whole grain anymore. I like the original quite a lot. And here's the curry in its single pack form. Here's some pictures. I'm going to start off with a couple pictures of the Laksa, how I've prepared it in the past. You can see the noodles nice and thick. You can see the broth is just beautiful. I highly recommend tofu puff, mint, egg, fish ball, things like that. With the curry, same thing. I mean, chicken's fine, but I don't know, fish ball and tofu puff, that really, that's what floats my boat. Well, thank you so much to the folks over at Prima Taste for sending these over. This is brand new in Singapore, and as I said, it's going to take a while for this to show up in the United States in these smaller forms. Yeah, these right here, this is the apex predator of the instant noodle world. This is so on top of everything, in my opinion. And if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend you try this stuff. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I know I will. Have a good one. Bye.